Hi guys, welcome back. Get yourself into a comfortable position and be ready to see the latest set of cute and adorable gadgets for your room. Some of them glow in the dark, some of them create an infinite labyrinth, and some are just useful. Those who watch the video to the end can take part in our giveaway and win NanoLeaf smart light panels. Let's go. Okay, video game lovers, imagine you had the latest HDMI capture device that supports 4K 60 frames per second pass-through, UVC, USB video class compatibility, audio inputs, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. Sounds too good, doesn't it? The ClonerAlliance Flint 4KP Plus is a USB capture card. It takes your HDMI video signal from a camera, game console, or secondary computer and captures it to your PC for recording, streaming, video calling, etc. This device scales down 4K pass-through from a PC, camera, or game console from 1080p to 60 FPS for capture purposes. This means you'll still be able to play games on your computer in 4K, but your captures are limited to 1080p resolution. This is a UVC capture device, which means it's plug and play in Windows, Mac, and Linux, and works with video calling apps like Skype and Zoom. How does that sound? Well, one more important thing is that you can add your voice to the gameplay by mixing audio signals, stream online, and record the process at the same time. That moment when tiny things do big deals. The link for the ClonerAlliance Flint you can find in the description below the video. Japanese will call this humidifier kawaii cute, and that's totally true. But the appearance is not the only advantage. It's a 3-in-1 humidifier, fan, and nightlight. Fill the water tank, press the button, and choose one of two modes, moisture, 10 or 20 hours lasting. It's extremely quiet. Add cozy warm nightlight and you won't find a better accessory for your bedroom. Don't forget to power the cat with any USB source, place mini fan or flexible lamp from the kit on top of the kitty's head, and enjoy the freshest air. A great gift for every Iron Man fan, and a reminder to everyone that Tony Stark does have a heart, either in a necklace or a keychain version. Now you can shed a tear every time you unlock your front door or look in the mirror. The necklace is made of high-quality alloy with silver, bronze, or black spray-plated. It was modeled after the one that Pepper Potts gave Tony. This thing will slice you up like an onion. There's no better way to say to your dear person how important they are. Take a look at these cool 3D lights breaking through your wall. These lights will be a perfect addition to any superhero's room, and they're pretty easy to install. Just apply crack sticker on the wall, mount the light, and enjoy your super heroic shelter. They look fantastic being switched on and off, and the night lights are cordless and need only 3 AA batteries, so they can be placed anywhere. Write in the comments which you like the most: sport, superhero, or Star Wars atmosphere. From now on, you can look all around the house, living room, kids' room, and even a garage. Meet Wyze Cam Pan, the first cam in high-speed panning. It has 110 degrees a second rotation speed, audio speaker, 360 horizontal range, and 93-degree vertical range, so you can see exactly what you want to see even in the dark. Wow! With 6 infrared LEDs, the camera provides clear images up to 30 feet away. Using the Wyze app, you can drag a video stream to move your camera left, right, up, or down, turn on motion tracking and camera, and follow any movements it detects. The only disadvantage is that you need a power cord, which limits the device to indoor use, but does that really matter after all? Has any one of you heard of an infinity mirror? For those who haven't, an infinity mirror is a sandwich of see-through reflective glass, lights, and acrylic mirror. The lights being in the middle are reflected over and over between the front see-through reflective glass and the back acrylic mirror, creating a visual illusion of a lighted tunnel, light vortex, or light portal display. Infinity mirrors are designed to give the illusion that the lights within them are trailing off into the abyss, disappearing into infinity and beyond. If you want the LED lights that can be switched off to give a mirror surface, the infinity mirror light can be placed on a table or desk, or can be hung on a wall. Jump into the mirror abyss and find yourself on the other side. Those constant searches for an outlet in the dark? Those battles for space in your dwelling? Don't let standard bulky nightlights dominate your hallways, bathrooms, or children's bedrooms anymore. The guide light is not just an ordinary accessory. It includes a light bar for an elegant, beautiful pathway light. Yep, you can finally use all of the outlets in your house. You don't have to be an electrician or magician to install the guide light. It was designed for a truly simple, safe solution to the household nightlight. It doesn't require brackets, batteries, mounts, or wires. Just snap it on and go. The guide light cover plate costs less than 10 cents per year to power. With just the right amount of light, you can sleep easy now. If you want your place to smell better, a diffuser is a great alternative to ordinary air fresheners. This 3-in-1 essential oil diffuser dispenses your favorite scent and also functions as a nightlight and humidifier. It comes with a wireless remote control, so before you start the mist, you can adjust your favorite color, brightness, timer, and intensity easily. Did I mention that it has 7 different LED lights? Sounds good, doesn't it? This little humidifier can run up to 8 hours, which is a really good result for such a small thing. Almost forgotten, it's absolutely safe. Feel free to use it while you're away, then come back and enjoy fresh air with a touch of your favorite scent. You'll like this gadget if you're a true book lover and read books all night long. We found this LED neck reading light. First thing, it looks pretty awesome. The second is that its design lets you wear the light around your neck without any irritation or hassle. The third, it comes with a highly bright LED light on 2 sides of the opening with 3 different color intensities. The fourth, it has USB rechargeable battery. The fifth, the light will not disturb your partner or parents during the night. 5 reasons to get this thing and to become a book lover, will you? The addressable light strips are RGB LEDs with an integrated control circuit hidden underneath. The cool part of a digital strip is that you address each LED individually, making very cool effects. What's great about these LEDs is that you, guys, can control even the entire LED strip with just a single pin from the Arduino board or the other programmable controllers. Each LED has 3 connectors at each end for easy installation and separated power wires on both ends. You can cut the strip to any size you want without damaging. You can shorten, lengthen, or bend it freely if you want. Use this LED strip to make a LED matrix panel, TV, PC backlight, laser sword, light stick, or whatever you want. Also, the strips have adhesive tape on the back so you can paste it on a bookcase, TV, cabinet, ceiling, or windowsill easily. Bring some extra illumination to your place. Today we had a lot of light and color, and here's another unusual device. Luminous LED panel you can leave absolutely any message on, even a drawing. It all depends on your fantasy and imagination. The LED panel has 3 kinds of lighting effects and works with different controllers that provide different effects: spectrum music mode, rolling subtitle, picture display, video display, fireworks effect, and chase effect. Each LED is individually addressable like in the previous gadget. It's durable and can be used in different places. This device will definitely fit all your requirements. Want to win cool Nano Leaf smart light panels? Join our giveaway. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment so Randomizer could choose you as the winner. If this video collects 3,000 likes before the next video, we'll announce the winner. All the info is in the description below. Good luck, everyone.